Here's GoTo app, call, chat, and meet. So then you can just tap get and then double click to install. GoTo is a premier provider of flexible work software designed to easily help you connect with customers and colleagues. The GoTo mobile app offers a simple, secure, and fully integrated phone, messaging, meeting, training, and webinar solutions that's ideal for communication and collaboration anytime, anywhere. On top of that, get more ways to meet your customers' rising expectation with multi-channel inbox communication through SMS, web chat, social media channels. So simple business communication. Empower your business, control what business number your customers see by switching between multiple business numbers. Make sure your customers receive call from number they know. So yeah, it's like this is a business app for VIP calls, customer engagement, easier meetings. So here you can just instantly join a session by entering session ID or name. You can then also sign in to GoTo with your email. Then there are some settings. So yeah, that's the process. I don't know if this app has the same developer as like GoTo Webinar and all this like GoTo Meeting, and it's just like another spin-off of these popular apps. But yeah, there you have it.